Rose water has been used in beauty rituals for centuries, but did you know it's also perfect for achieving clear, fresh skin today? Packed with natural antioxidants and soothing properties, this humble ingredient is a game changer. In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly incorporate rose water into your skincare routine for glowing, hydrated skin. Let's start with cleansing. Rose water can serve as a natural, gentle toner after washing your face. Its balancing properties help remove residue, tighten pores, and prepare your skin for hydration. All you need is a cotton pad and a splash of rose water to give your face an immediate feeling of freshness. Next, rose water can be used in your hydrating mist. Simply transfer it into a spray bottle, and you instantly have a refreshing facial mist for that midday skin boost. This method ensures hydration throughout the day while giving your skin a gentle, rosy glow anytime it needs it. Looking for an easy DIY mask? Combine rose water with Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth for a purifying and soothing treatment. This mask rejuvenates dull skin, controls excess oil, and leaves your face feeling balanced and refreshed. Apply it once or twice a week to notice your skin's texture transform. After removing the rose water mask, don't forget to moisturize. Pairing rose water with a light moisturizer locks in hydration and soothes any lingering redness. This duo keeps skin feeling plump and ultra soft, letting you face the day with confidence and a natural glow. Did you know you can use rose water to care for your under eyes? Simply soak cotton pads in chilled rose water, place them under your eyes, and let it sit for 10 minutes. This hack reduces puffiness, soothes tired eyes, and gives you that wide-awake look for a fresh start to your day. If you're stepping into the sun, rose water can even act as a cooling after-sun spray. Its calming properties help reduce redness and rehydrate sun-stressed skin. Combined with your favorite sunscreen, this step ensures your skin stays protected without compromising on a fresh, dewy finish. For a luxurious twist, add rose water to your nighttime moisturizer or serum. This infusion enhances your skin's natural overnight repair, leaving you with a refreshed complexion by morning. It's a simple way to upgrade your PM routine, combining self-care with the magic of nature's most soothing ingredient. Before we wrap up, remember to choose pure, high-quality rose water for best results. Avoid products with added alcohol or fragrances, as they can irritate your skin. Opting for organic or distilled options ensures you're giving your skin the gentle care it deserves. So there you have it. Rose water, nature's timeless gift, can elevate any skincare routine. From toners to masks, under-eye refreshers to after-sun sprays, its versatility is unmatched. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for weekly skincare tips as we continue this journey to clearer, fresher skin together.